In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Webflow. If you're looking to streamline your Webflow project and get rid of any unnecessary or outdated pages, you're in the right place. Deleting pages is a straightforward process, but it's important to do it correctly to avoid any mishaps. Let's dive in. To begin, the first step is to open your Webflow project and navigate to the Pages panel. You can easily access this panel by clicking on the Pages icon located on the left bar of your interface. Alternatively, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts for a more efficient workflow, just press the letter P on your keyboard. This quick access to the Pages panel brings up a list of all the pages you currently have within your project. Once you have the Pages panel open, the next step is to locate the specific page you wish to delete. Scroll through the list of pages to find the one you no longer need. After identifying the page, hover your cursor over it and pay attention to the right side of the page name. You will notice a gear icon appear as you hover. This gear icon is key, as it allows you to access the settings for that particular page with just a click. With the settings panel for the chosen page now open on your screen, you'll see a range of options that control various aspects of the page. But since our focus is on deletion, direct your attention to the top of this settings panel. Here you'll find a trash icon, which is your gateway to removing the page. Click on this trash icon, and a pop-up will immediately appear, asking for your confirmation to proceed with the deletion. This confirmation step is crucial, as it provides a safeguard against accidental deletions. When this prompt appears, simply click on the button labeled Delete to finalize the process. Doing so permanently removes the page from your project, helping you maintain a tidy and efficient workspace. And there you have it. Following these steps will successfully delete a page from your Webflow project. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're deleting the correct page, as there's no undo function once you've confirmed the deletion. Keeping your project organized and free of clutter can significantly enhance your productivity and focus, so don't hesitate to remove those pages that are no longer of use. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Webflow experience. Until next time, happy designing!